American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for apple crumble. So let's get started. First of all, our ingredients. We need 6 apples, 1 tablespoon flour, half a cup or 100 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, half a teaspoon cinnamon, 1 cup or 90 grams of oats, 1 cup or 125 grams of flour, 1 cup or 200 grams of brown sugar, half a teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half a cup or 125 grams of melted butter, a pinch of salt. Obviously, the first thing we need to do is peel, core, and slice the apples into small pieces. Go ahead and place the pieces directly into the baking dish. Pour the 1 tablespoon flour, sugar, lemon juice, and half a teaspoon cinnamon, and stir it all together. Then, in a separate bowl, stir together the oats, flour, brown sugar, baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and salt. Stir in the melted butter. Spoon the topping onto the apples. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. This recipe tastes amazing. If you love apples and cinnamon, you will love this recipe as well. It pairs perfectly with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.